Okay, so this is a conversion kit to allow your at this moment Glock, your WE Glock or compatible ones, to use M4 mag. But that's not the only thing. I wanted to be able to try to give more stability to the gun while I'm using it. So this kit comes with this foregrip kind of thing that give me more place to hold with a thumb rest right here, so it's actually very comfortable to hold. I'm using a micro red dot. The reason for that is the screw that is holding the red dot comes from below and holds onto the scope, so I can lower this mount as low as possible. While if I use the other type of the normally used on the pistols, the micro red dot, I would need the threadings on it. This chamfer here, this is mounted on angle for a reason that I can add a stock to it. This one here, that at the moment you can find this on eBay for like 16 to 17 euros, and give you a lot more stability while using it. But you can still use it just like this as a pistol. I'm planning on making this stock with this kit here with incorporated extensible stock instead of the mounted one. And this one comes with a feature that I can lock the magazine fit, so when I remove the magazine, only 4 BBs falls out like common AEG, while the rest of the BBs are locked inside the magazine. So when I insert the magazine again, I just unlock it and it will keep feeding. Obviously the kit runs HPA for simple reasons, for the stability at the FPS, also to be able to not having the cooldown effect at continuous full auto.